Football now, Arnett Gardens will have it all to do in their second leg encounter in the Scotiabank CONCACAF League after they went down 3-0 in their first leg round of 16 match to Panamanian opponents Arabe Unido at the Estadio Romel Fernandez on Tuesday.
After playing out a goalless first half, Arnett went down 1-0 in the 57th minute through a goal from Chin Omachea. Omachea was once again on the score sheet with the double for Arabe Huenda's advantage in the 81st minute as he got by Damian Hyatt once more. The 2017 Red Stripe Premier League champions were then finished off as the Panamanian outfit got their third in the 7th minute of added time thanks to Jonathan Morello completing a counter-attacking move. Coach of the Junglists, Jerome Waite, along with central defender Decoy Williams, believe the physical conditioning of the team took a toll in the latter stages of the game.
You have to be disappointed. This is something that, they spoke to the team about, in the dressing room, and, let them understand the importance of concentrating the fact that our fitness level is not up to par because we are out of season. And they have done an excellent job in the first half. Outside of, we gave up 3 goals. We created 6 clear scoring opportunity in the penalty area, but, we failed to convert.
The concentration level dropped in the last 15 to 20 minutes. The team just in preparation for this tournament. The last 15 minutes, they can see the fitness of the team wasn't at 100%, but we stuck in the game. We have a lot of positive things we can take out of the game.
Even with the Mountaineers' challenge of having to overturn the 3-goal deficit, both Williams and Waite are optimistic heading into the second leg at the National Stadium on August 9.
We have basically 7 days to go before that game. So we just have to, regroup and get these players up and see how best they can respond based on, what I want them to do tactically.
Players have to mentally ready, even though that we're not at our 100% fitness level yet. But mentally ready, the players have to mentally ready to go out there and fight and try to get 2 early goals, and then we can take it from there.
The winner of the tie will advance to the quarterfinals, with the winner of the league qualifying for the 2019 CONCACAF Champions League. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.